Tonight, a trail of destruction several miles long after an EF2 tornado rips through Keithville, Louisiana.
The storm leaving at least 2 dead and a community left devastated. According to the National Weather Service, the tornado was one of 18 twisters reported today in Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi. The system expected to cause more blizzard-like conditions with a potential of tornadoes in the southern states.
Now, here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
In fact, moisture from that weather complex headed our way around this time tomorrow night, 11 o'clock midnight, and through all of Friday with rain and wind, a coastal storm. Not enough cold air around this time around to support snow. As we take a peek outside under mainly clear skies and dry, a look at Newport with temperatures that have settled into the upper 20s to low 30s. Have a couple of isolated showers roughly east of New Bedford out towards the Cape and Plymouth County. It's about as close as they'll get, and they'll be diminishing shortly, so really no weather issues overnight. Nice to see these winds finally die down after very gusty today, especially this morning. Coventry's at 27 right now. Providence 33, New Bedford at 32, and Taunton at 32 as well. We take a look at our threat tracker overnight tonight through Thursday and even into early Thursday evening. Looking okay. You have errands to run. 7, 8, 9 o'clock in the evening, not bad. But if we get closer to midnight, the rain and wind starts to pick up, especially on Friday. Maybe a kind of a windswept rain, heavy at times, inch to inch and a half. Some of our new computer data coming in, even hinting at perhaps even 2-inch rain amounts. Gusts, while not extreme, certainly significant on the order of 35 to 45 miles per hour, especially along the south shore. This does impact travel speeds and visibility both Friday morning and into early Friday evening. You see some of these showers out towards the Cape. Really won't make it much further to the west. We'll keep generally dry conditions overnight tonight. The reason for the gusty wind today, storm system well offshore. The circulation around it was so broad that we get some of these gusty conditions this morning and this afternoon. Showed you that video of the severe weather across the deep south. All that part of a storm system spinning across the central plains. This will actually stay away. This area of low pressure will stay to the north, and what will happen is a secondary storm will form along the mid-Atlantic coastline. So this moisture, rain, heavy at times, headed our way for later tomorrow night. Take this into the future. Tomorrow morning we are dry. This is 10 o'clock in the morning. Clouds increasing, cool and dry, not as windy as this morning. Notice the shield of rain indicated in green and yellow arriving around 10, 11 o'clock tomorrow evening. The blue is snow, and that'll be confined to areas well to our north and west. West meaning out towards the Berkshires of Massachusetts, northern New England. There's the storm system south of Long Island, New York. Friday morning for the commute, a windswept rain, heavy at times, snowing hard in the Berkshires and northern New England. Friday evening, rain and wind continues. The snow still out towards the Berkshires and Maine, New Hampshire, and Vermont. As the storm slips away late Friday night, notice on the back side of it, this little patch of blue by daybreak Saturday may end as a few hours of some snow showers Saturday morning. But look at the sun's already shining in New York City Saturday morning, and that clearing headed our way Saturday afternoon. Tomorrow morning, some filtered sun through increasing clouds, but staying dry. Not as frigid as this morning, and then during the afternoon, the clouds taking over, lower 40s and generally dry. That includes the evening commute as well. All right, 7-day forecast, rain and wind, both heavy at times on Friday. More than likely a weather alert day. There may be a lingering snow shower early Saturday morning, nothing serious. Clearing in the afternoon, dry, cool on Sunday with temperatures in the upper 30s. It's not snow, but it is certainly high impact for the commute morning and evening on Friday.
You have to be careful.
Yeah.
All right, Tony, coming up next in sports.